Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add voiceover on each slide on Canva. So right here, we are in the templates page and I'm going to just choose this pre-made presentation template. And we're just going to choose this template. So as you can see, we have multiple slides on this presentation. And for us to be able to add a voiceover on each slide, all we have to do is just click on this uploads, then audio, and from here you can easily just drag your media or audio file, then add it on each of your slide. But you can also just record it just by just by clicking on share, then press send and record. Then go to recording studio. So from here, we're just going to record our voice. Then once done, just click on end recording. So if we hover our mouse to uploads and audio, we can see here the recording that we have created. And all we have to do is just drag it to our slide or the slide that you want to add the recording. And from there, you can also expand this until the next slide that you want to be included, or you can simply just repeat the same process that we did earlier to add all the voiceovers in each slide. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.